Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can check your remaining range on your Citroen C3. This is a 2021 model. There's two ways of finding it. You can use a little thumb wheel here, moving up and down, or we can go over to the wiper stalk here and you can press the button in at the end. And this is the screen that you want to find. It's a car going towards a petrol pump. And you can see there we've got 149 miles left off range. Now, to move that, we just need to move this up and down like so. So keep moving it around until you get to that screen that I just showed you. So I'm moving it around now, and it's just there, that one there. Likewise, if you press in on the button on the wiper stalk, it will keep moving around here. Now, if you have less than 20 miles remaining, you're just going to see dashes. Remember, this isn't completely accurate. And then when you fill up again, you're going to need to put at least 5 litres of fuel in. It will start working again once it's got over 60 miles of range. So that's it. Right now on this car, there's 149 miles of estimated range left. Thanks for watching.